guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. In today's video we'll be working here guys on a Chevy Cruze, and we'll go ahead and show you guys how to remove and replace your headlight switch. So if your headlight switch doesn't work guys and doesn't turn your headlights on and off, stay with us, we'll explain what needs to be done to remove it and replace it. Quick introduction guys, we have more than 200 videos on Chevy Cruze and more than 200 videos guys on every car we get at the shop. We do all that guys because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys. Now, if you guys need any tools, parts, anything like that, okay, for that specific repair or anything else guys, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we purchase all our parts and tools from. So if you need anything guys, the link is in the description of the video below. Now let me show you guys, okay, where that headlight switch is located. Okay, this right here is your headlight switch. Okay, you can see steering wheel, center dash vent, and this thing right here is your headlight switch. So what we need, panel removal tool, they come in different colors as well guys. We have a yellow one here, but we will have the whole kit in the description of the video below. Go on the bottom side, okay, you want to use panel removal tool, not a screwdriver, because you will damage your dash. And if you're trying to remove your switch without messing it, use that too guys. Go on the bottom, then come on this side of the switch. Okay, now perfect. Grab it, pull it out guys. Check it out now. So, right here now, what do we need to do? You need to guys get, okay, a small screwdriver. Okay, and that, okay, let's come actually a little bit this way to hide the sunshine. Perfect. Okay, so that way is better. And we're going to pull that red thing back. Okay, check it out how it pulled back. And once it's pulled back, you can press the switch connector in, okay, and disconnect it. And this right here guys is your headlight switch out of the car, removed just like that. So you can see, not very complicated at all. If you need to purchase one guys, we'll have the part numbers and everything in the description of the video below, so please check it out. That's how you guys do it. Thank you for watching, please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.